Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can do change detection by using GeoSightX and ArcGIS Pro. So let's start by navigating to product page and select GeoSightX. So you are in GeoSightX landing page. Click See Demo. So it will load and open the app. Here we go. So the first procedure is to define the area of interest. So I am more interested with this area here, this lake. And I want to do change detection for this lake between 2020 and 2024. So the first layer will be for 2024. So I'll define processing extent while leaving the layer to be 2024. I will define the vegetation health factor as the main factor and increase the threshold for similarity to 1.15. Then I will apply the selecting factor. So after that, the vegetation layer will be processed and added to the map. Then I will redraw the training sample or a sample region. It is not must to follow the shape of the lake, but you are advised at least to be sure that you are taking the proper sample. Then after that, I'll just submit the sample region. So after submitting, the software will just classify the area covered by water and it will provide you the layer called similar layer will be added here to the list of layers. So depending on the speed of internet, you have to wait a few minutes or seconds and it's worthy waiting. So we see the similar layer has been added, and actually when we switch off the sample, the area covered by water is already defined. So we'll just go back down and you'll see the button written download similar area. Click the button and below you'll be having the link to download the layer for 2024. So as it is still processing, we can just wait. So the layer is here downloaded called similar layer zip number 2. So the next procedure is to change the layer, the year. So we're going to change the year to 2019 or 2020. Then we will repeat the same procedure. We apply the selected layer. After applying, we will have the same option, and the new layer will be just added here. So we'll have the same option to submit the sample region. We already have the sample region, which we are sure of it. So we will submit the sample region, and the download button will appear just below this sample region. So as it is, it will take some minutes to process. And I told you it is worthy waiting. So we see the new button has been appearing and the new layer has also been appearing. So in the list of layer, we have two layers. The first one for 2024 and the second one for 2020. So we just hit the button, download similar layers. After hitting the button, you'll have the link to download now the second layer. Also, downloading second layer, it was waiting. So now we are aware of the similar area with the bracket number 2 is for 2024, and the one with bracket number 3 is for 2020. So we have this one for 2020 and this one for 2024. So we can just open the folder location. So we will change this one, similar area 2, to 2024, and this one to 2020. And we can create a new folder in document or anywhere. We can create a new folder. And we will call it change using GeoSightX. So we can copy the 2 layers here. And paste in our folder. The next procedure is to extract this folder. So I'm going to start extracting 2020. So I'll be having the 2020, and I'm going to extract the 2024. So we'll be having also the layer for 2024. Then we are going to open now ArcGIS Pro. Thank you very much for your attention, and wait for part 2, whereby we'll be using ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap to do change detection. So in ArcGIS Pro, we have change detection wizard, which is a simplified way of doing change detection using 2 rasters. And in ArcMap, we also have the procedure. I prefer the most to use the intersection procedure, which will be converting those raster to polygons, and will be using the intersection to compute change detection. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day and work.